Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your Windows 7 PC needs a Wi-Fi adapter and SB1 installed because the hosted network feature depends on that driver support. Once confirmed, enable the adapter in Network and Sharing Center and connect any Ethernet cable if you plan to share wired internet. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator so you can run the hosted network commands directly. This is the first actionable step to create the virtual hotspot and control settings immediately. Now configure the hosted network. Run netwlan set hosted network with your SSID and a strong key, because that creates the virtual access point and secures it. Once set, start it with netwlan start hosted network and verify status with netwlan show hosted network so you know it's running. Then, make sure to open Network Connections, right-click the Internet Source Adapter, choose Properties, and enable Internet Connection Sharing. This links your internet feed to the hosted adapter, so to finish, connect your phone or laptop to the new SSID using the key, and test browsing to confirm internet access. Run a quick speed check if needed. If it fails, update the Wi-Fi driver and disable adapter power save settings, because outdated drivers or sleep modes often block hosted networks. As a quick recovery, run netwlan stop hosted network and then start it again, and if problems persist, inspect Event Viewer for driver errors so you can target the exact issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.